We are in Santa Barbara, and I am with the Maddy Williams,
Hi.
student of Sonic Command. We just got some in and out. It's a great day. We've had a great block so far, and temperature's perfect, weather's perfect. It's everything we could have asked for and more, so we are very happy.
Yes.
We are here at Stanford for DCI West. One of my favorite shows for a lot of reasons. The crowd is just really hype here, and just certainly a great show for California. I wanted to take this time to talk a little bit about what it's like to be a woodwind player in DCI. The biggest difference, especially since our spring training, which was in Laramie, Wyoming, 7,000 feet above sea level, is our reeds feel different. So I use a synthetic reed, and just to make sure that it doesn't crumple under extreme conditions. And I've noticed that since coming to California, my reed has felt significantly softer than normal. I haven't changed the strength of reed, but it's just caused a little adjustment on my end. I think we're about at sea level in most of California, if not a little higher. So just differences that we have to adjust to on the fly. It's certainly fun in that way to especially focus on breath training and air support at such a high altitude, and then transfer that over to our time in California. But no, it's a good time, and I'm happy to adjust. So it's been a great few days here in Hollister, California, for a lot of reasons, mainly that the soprano got repaired. We had some pretty bad damage in Stanford, but we're good now and sounding fine. I'm getting a good bit of feedback on that part one solo, that opening uninvited solo, which is really great. I get a lot of brass pedagogy here, but to get a different perspective, even from these brass teachers that are really, really good at what they do, it just goes to show that they are multifaceted. They have plenty of knowledge beyond just the brass space, which is pretty cool to see. We are at the much anticipated Rose Bowl. I've heard plenty of great things about this venue. Really excited to perform here. We've got our new closer out in the field, so excited to showcase that, and I think it'll be a great show. A lot of people ask me, is that gum in your mouth? Are you chewing gum during rehearsal? No, I'm not chewing gum during rehearsal. This is a moldable plastic mold that fits on the bottom set of my teeth to prevent scarring on the kind of inner tissue of the mouth. It's pretty helpful when you're not playing for 3 hours a day. So if I was back in college, maybe I wouldn't need it as much, but since I'm only playing for a little bit each day, it kind of hurts sometimes, or it can hurt if I don't have some protection. So this definitely helps with that. You just dip it in hot water and then mold it to your teeth. We just wrapped up a string of weekend performances. We did Nashville, Atlanta, and Nightbeat. It was really, really fun, really good time. I got to perform in my home show in my home crowd and see my family, so that was really nice. I wanted to share another little nugget of educational feedback for playing saxophone or drum corps, or really just woodwinds in general. So typically, when I play cane reeds, right now I'm on a plastic reed, but when I play cane reeds, it's very often that if I play outside at all, the tip of the reed will warp, so it'll get kind of wibbly wobbly and it'll look a little weird. And that also happens on synthetic reeds. So for cane reeds, we typically sand them down with sandpaper, really refine and make sure that every part of that back of the reed is very flat. So I'm kind of experimenting with something like that for synthetic reeds, but also just seeing as much as I can to stay out of the sun with my saxophone, just keep it in the shade and keep it as safe as it can be.
Hello there, it is Maddy Williams in full uniform, reporting into Silent Command. Currently, we are at Innovations in Brass in Canton, Ohio. We're at the Hall of Fame Stadium, and we're getting ready for a fantastic warm-up and show. So it's time to lock in, it's time to get focused. We are so ready and excited. We just got done with our Innovations in Brass show, our Ohio show. It was everything we could ever hope for. We're about to go get some snack. Most of us are pretty tired, but after this we are on our way to Indy. Okay, we got Miguel here, our wonderful staff member. Miguel, what do you have?
Today we have pineapple, watermelon, don't beat the bite,
Ooh.
chicken nuggets, and spring rolls.
Okay.
Snack, 10 out of 10 today.
Come on. Good morning, Silent Command.
Yeah. Morning.
Maddy logging in with Chris and Sebastian and James and Sammy and Ethan. And we are getting ready to go to the Colts facility. And we're so excited. Woo!
Colts facility.
Personally, for me, this is my first time in this stadium, so I'm just absolutely in awe. Obviously, it's indoors. The weather is perfect. I don't think it's really become real for me yet, but I think it'll become real once, you know, we start in movement 1 and, you know, we get everything set up, but we're so excited. It just feels so unreal. It feels so unreal. Okay, these are Maddy's thoughts while physically preparing myself for these rehearsals. Right now I'm just in a period of remembering, you know, 17-year-old, 18-year-old Maddy and kind of why she wanted to do this in the first place, you know? I think my love of performance, you know, putting that all aside, I think it's my love of community, my love of kind of like fostering, you know, this type of group, fostering this type of like strong, like these connections, these friendships. I think that is a huge reason of why I do what I do. And, you know, I look over and it's just like, I see a whole lot of some of my best friends that I'm gonna keep with me for ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. And, you know, I'm just, you know, I can't say it enough. I'm just so excited, so. And this is my POV. It's fantastic. We have a little camera situation set up. Everyone's really enjoying that. Good morning, Silent Command. It is DCI prelims morning. I just woke up a little early so I can do some last minute laundry, get some breakfast, get out of here, have a good, you know, couple hours of rehearsal, and then make our way over. But today's the day. Tubas, are we ready for prelims? Tubas!
We're ready.
Woo! We are back at the Colts facility. This morning, we actually got a little gift from admin. We got amazing theme jerseys, originally for the admin, but they had some extras, so they snuck the drum majors a few. Funny story though, when they were manufacturing the jerseys, unfortunately, they only used one name, and that is our very own Mr. Sean Clark. So every single jersey says Clark on the back, every single last one of them, and I believe that includes the soccer jerseys that the other members of the Corps get. So today we are representing Mr. Sean Clark. We are currently pulling up to the lots at Lucas Oil Stadium. We're so freaking excited. Oh my goodness. But here's the makeup. We're very excited. Here's the hair. Just a cute ponytail. And we're going to get it. We're going to currently be dropped off in the park. The horn line and the battery. We're going to give you guys a show, like always. And then we're going to head in and we're going to do our big performance. In the lobby, have everything we need, the tote bag, the jacket. It's go time. One more time, baby. And here we are in the finals warm-up lot. Nogging it a little bit right now. Unlit because it's very windy, but we made it to Carroll Stadium. Getting ready for our very last brass warm-up. We just practiced our salute. We're very excited. We think it looks pretty clean, so I dropped my nog, but we're excited. Yay!
It's finals day. Woo! I'm looking back at the old videos and it's just so cool to see my journey throughout this time. I'm really proud of the time so far, and I think I'm using now as a time to reflect because I know immediately after the show, the award ceremony combined with saying bye to everybody and just generally crying, I'm gonna have no time until I get back home to think about this. So let me just say, I'm really proud of this season for a few things. One being, of course, the Woodwind thing. I love playing this, but it was such a hassle to try to get around. I'm really proud for just pushing through the struggles, communicating my needs with staff about reads and equipment and things, and just generally being able to go out there and do my thing. It's sometimes difficult with the noise online, but I've always been one to like get off social media that isn't really serving me, apps that aren't really serving me, Reddit. But I'm just proud of that. I'm proud to be able to do this thing and with such a great group of people as those in the back there. So I think this will be my last video, but thanks for joining me on this ride and wish us luck on a great finals performance.
And it is the end of an era. We just finished with retreat. We are all done. Here is to unforgettable memories. The most amazing people I've ever met in my life. This has been the most amazing season and the most amazing experience. Bye, Silent Command. Until next season.